Good morning guys. So I'm here at the Blessing House. So last time I did a video about the mat, yoga mat I bought. It's very nice quality and I really recommend this shop that I bought. So since I want Daddy Tom to be with me on my daily exercise, so I order again one of this mat. So we got this I think 3 days ago, but it's this time only I make a video. So once you cannot choose the color, by the way, the option there is it's for girl or it's for boys or it's for men, like that. So it's up to them if what is available color for girls. So this one to give me the green, avocado green. It's nice, by the way. Then this one is it's difficult to do video with your one hand. I will use some. So actually the color of this one is so it's eco-friendly type yoga mat. So it says here 100% latex free and TP free, chloride free. So actually the color for the men is like dark black, brown, then some is blue. So that's the color for men. But actually if you want the quality only, or after for the quality, it's okay. If you cannot, you will not get the color you wanted. So that only the option there, as what I said, is for girls or for boys. So this one is its color, it's like brown, like that. So but I really like the textures on this. And for the girls it's different pattern. It's like leaves, like that, but this one is different. So it's brown, then yeah, at the back it's like this, but this one is green, then brown at the back. So I like the quality of this one. It's not really thick, but it's very soft. It's different from the other. Iba yung ano niya, iba yun yung texture ng ano niya. So impressed ako sa ano na to, sa yoga mat na to. Maganda naman ang ano, gusto ko yung quality niya. So rubberized talaga siya. So tapos hindi siya na ano, nayuyupi. So to those who wants to order, sa gustong mag-order guys, ilagay ko yung link below. Actually sa Lazada ko to nabili, at siya proven and tested ko talaga to na shop for this yoga mat kasi ang ganda. So super ganda. So hope you watch the full video guys, and don't forget to hit likes and comments below. At sa mga gustong mag-order, just click the link sa ano, sa nakapin na comments. Thank you for watching and God bless.